favorites?
Always $29, $29.99 and less. There's not a bad one in the bunch. They're all hard-hitting big breaks, multiple shots.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah. This is one of my window cakes that I love this year. Neon colors, zipper, so fun.
Okay, so
$15 500-gram cakes, 8 shots. That's a fantastic deal. Yeah. Always fun. General patent is 2-inch breaks. Huge shots, red, white, and blue. My Wicked Waterfall cake. Oh, that's one of my favorites. Attitude adjustment.
Is that
Crazy
nice color?
Goose.
Howard cake.
Yes. Those are just crazy variety. My crow shells are $69.99. My armor piercing shells have 4, 5, and 6-inch breaks. $79.99.
Nice.
Yeah. And then I have my 5-inch neons, American Super Shells, Power Storm. Those are all on special for $89.99. And my 7-inch shells.
Oh my goodness.
Those are $129.99. The loudest.
Nice.
Number one selling fountain, and it's on special for $14.99.
Nice.
So it's fantastic, and multiple sparklers come out. Well, 7 of them come out and spin, and spin. It's
Wow.
So we're at 3808 Division in Wyoming, Michigan, and our hours are 10 to 10 every night up until the 3rd and 4th. We're open at 9 a.m. till midnight. The 3rd and 4th, 10 to 10 again on the 5th.